welcome back to my channel. It's Toya here. To all my new subscribers, welcome to you, and I'm so glad you're here. I'm glad that you subscribed to me. So, of course, today I have a makeup tutorial for you guys, and this is the look for today. Very gothic, hence the title, but yeah, I hope that you guys really enjoy it. It's very different. I just wanted to try something different today. On my cheeks, I'm wearing this powder slash eyeshadow slash contour thing from NXY Cosmetics. I got this at Salon Splurt at UE. So if you guys are wondering what I'm wearing on my cheeks, that's it. I guess you can use it for a blush or whatever, I don't know, but it's very pigmented, so you want to try to be light-handed if you are using this. For this look, I did a lot of stacking and a lot of blending. I stacked my eyelashes, so I'm wearing two eyelashes on each eye. Whatever, I'm wearing 2 pairs of eyelashes, yeah. That's basically it. I hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also like my Facebook fan page and follow me on Twitter, all at NaturallyMsToya. The links will be in the description bar, and if you have not yet checked out my previous videos, please go on ahead and do so. Alright, yeah. So, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
You never know where you are, baby. Too blind to see, that I'm on in the rough, girl. Me never pray a future without you in it, but girl, you need my bed start for 2 minutes, you say me not work. So me you can't depend on, so when you pray your future, it's a different man. You say you want to live the hype, girl, you want to live the life, and a future with me, tough like concrete. How long me a look about, so now we can't reach. You have wants and needs, so fuck hopes and dreams. Say me nah go make it and you no business. I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some blame and some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in her life. Y'all confidence in me a way you never have, so you step on me heart like leather clogs. You say you tired to sit down with a man like me, so what time for the road you a make a chat. Girl, you pack your bag and you step, you need even look back, cause love alone me have, you have no way to put that. Call the friends to pick you up, chew away me love. In a tears, girl, you left me for drown. You say me nah go make it and you no business. I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some blame and some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in her life. But the table turn ya now, see that the boss arrive. Every step that you take, it's a new prep. Girl from every angle, want him be the man. Now your friend them are the first one we start laugh. Girl the youth pop up, you pop down. Guess what, girl you crack done. The youth thing slap way, burning like an answer, and you wish you coulda take back your talk. Girl, nah go make it and you no business. I'm a star that will never shine. Girl, a lot of things you say hurt me feelings. Just be some blame and some hype. Girl, you say me nah go make it and you no business. You say boy, no matter how hard you try, you nah go make it and me no business. She say me nah reach nowhere in her life. You never know where you are, baby. Too blind to see, that I'm on in the rough, girl. You never know where you are. I'm on in the
She left me and gone, she no need me. She left me and gone, please believe me. When she tell me say she love me, she no mean it. For really, for real. My girlfriend left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she have them. She left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she have them.
From she step out of my life tribulation, come down and me fit tell the Chindian life get run down. She tell me and Nara go bring the sun come, so me work from morning go back to sundown. She step out of my life just like a leather clocks, and tell me how cheaper than best just chicken pot. People stand one side and I pass them remarks, but who feels it knows it. Yeah, alone in my
girlfriend left me and gone and no want me again. Say she have needs and wants and me hardly a spend. She need to find a man we can solve a problem, cause she want a lot of things me can't make she happen. She left me and gone and no want me.
It won't never